this. I'm tired. I just got back into trucking, and y'all done raised the fuel prices so high. Are y'all crazy? This shit don't make no sense. This don't make no fucking sense. I'm pissed. I'm pissed, and I'm going off for all of y'all. It's all of y'all fault. Dang! Like, y'all see this sign? This sign says $4.99 a gallon! This is what trucking has come to? Shit!
So for a lot of y'all that didn't hear the Dallas Oil CEO, Jay Young, say that gas prices might reach $5 to $6 a gallon. They say you better fill up everything you can right now while this gas is around $3.
What up, what up? It's your boy Milano back here again with another vlog, another video. We get into this. Guys, looking like bad news, more bad news. Y'all seen the video when I showed with Sunshine Shoulders about how it's affecting the Philippines with all this war with Iran and the oil and everything. But now it's gonna probably affect us travel boys, us passport bros, us blue book gentlemen, bluer than this shirt. I'm gonna tell you guys, where you guys are hearing all this with the gas prices going up, you guys are probably saying, well, Milano, what does it have to do with me? I mean, okay, gas prices are going up. So what does it have to do with me? I can still fly. No, these gas prices are going to eventually or probably already affect the flights, which means you ain't going to get those cheapskate Jake prices no more, my boy. So it's going to really be hard for guys to travel now that these prices are going to surge with the oil. Guys, when this comes down to this, I would suggest saving up your money, stack up money. A lot of you crash outs, y'all want to, go overseas and play around, and I get it. I'm not hating on the game. You want to do the fundies. Y'all want to get the donations. Y'all doing better than Milano. Milano broke his joke Wednesday on Walmart shirt, displayed out Walmart hat. You know what I mean? Y'all doing better than me. Especially if you get like 10 G's for a Thailand trip. You doing better than me. 2 G's for free for a Thailand trip. You doing better than me. But I'm going to just be honest with you guys. Right now is not a time to play around. Guys, you could still travel, but I think this is going to hurt a lot of guys' chances on traveling, because when stuff starts rising with the gas prices, the oil prices, here's the thing. The flights are going to get higher. The flights to DR that you guys like so much, my boys from New York, my boys in Florida, that y'all like to just fly there like it's nothing, it's going to be charging something, man. It's going to be a little pricey. So just keep that in mind. You know what I mean? I don't think it's going to go too crazy, but I don't know. This is looking really crazy with the prices. I already can imagine this summer. I thought it was going to be a good summer. I guess it's going to be a real hot summer, but not hot and as good. Hot as your pocket's going to be hot because you always spending money on that gas. Shoot, when y'all go overseas, y'all ain't going to be able to pay for that, you know what. But, yeah, guys, it's looking really bad out here right now. First, it started with the Philippines. We got the news on that. Now, we just find out globally, USA-wide, the gas prices are going to be surging or already surging. Actually, already surging from the previous video you just seen. Shout out to Nino Brown. But what do you guys think? Should we wait for traveling, or should you pursue traveling still? I would say you guys should still pursue traveling and still travel. Just keep a couple of dollars extra, knowing you're going to pay a higher price for those flights. Just know that, man. It's looking really crazy this year. I was hoping it was going to be a good year, but again, you never know what you're going to get with the world these days, especially for 2026. Guys, stack your money. You know what I mean? Go on a flight if you can. enjoy life, because tomorrow, as you see, tomorrow's not even promised. We never even expected this stuff with the gas prices. I definitely didn't expect it was going to get more expensive in Philippines from the previous video. If you guys haven't already seen, I posted yesterday. So let me know in the comment section right there, what do you guys think is going to happen with travel? Is this really going to hurt travel? A lot of guys going to do some pushback on travel. A lot of guys going to spend time in the good old Matrix USA in the summertime and just wait till the gas prices go down. Or people just going to ball till they fall, you know what I mean, and take the licking and keep on ticking. Let me know in the comment section. Like, subscribe, share, comment. Let's run this video up to 4,000, 5,000 views, baby. It's your boy.